Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both AirPods and their case because low charge interrupts pairing. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep it within about 1.5 meters. Open the case lid next to the device. You should see a pairing prompt. If the prompt does not appear, press and hold the setup button on the back until the light blinks white. This initiates discovery mode, so your device can find and list the AirPods immediately. After connecting, customize how your AirPods behave, because personalized settings improve comfort and control. Open Bluetooth or the companion app to rename, set left/right force sensor gestures, and enable automatic ear detection so audio pauses when removed. Check ear tip seal and swap sizes until low-frequency bass feels solid. Good fit boosts noise isolation and battery life. If supported, enable spatial audio for immersive sound. Make sure firmware updates complete. These often fix performance and battery optimizations. Finish by testing playback, phone calls, and mic sensitivity so you confirm everything works in real situations. Walk through volume and equalizer adjustments and try a quick range test to check Bluetooth stability. If you encounter issues, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This often resolves pairing or audio routing errors. If sound is muffled, clean mesh and charging contacts, and make sure the case closes fully to maintain connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.